Hey, my dear viewers and learners and visitors, you can see the many people sitting on the stair. If you come in this Kumilla Dharmashagar Park, you can see the iconic environment and place in Kumilla city or Kumilla Dharmashagar Park. So I will show the environment beside the Kumilla Dharmashagar Park. So let's come with me. I will more details information about the Kumilla Dharmashagar Park. You can see a lot of visitors and audience and spectators have come to see the environment of Kumilla Dharmashagar Park. Every day, a lot of visitors come to see the environment of the Kumilla Dharmashagar Park. Basically, they come in the afternoon, and also they come in their different occasion to see the environment of Kumilla Dharmashagar Park. So you come with me. I will show the details about the Kumilla Dharmashagar Park. So let's come with me. Basically, if you come in this Kumilla Dharmashagar Park, you can see the people sitting on the chair and also spending their special time with their special one and near ones and also their beloved persons. So you can see the beautiful lake or wonderful lake that obviously will fascinate you. So if you come in this Kumilla Dharmashagar Park, and you have to see these kinds of iconic scene in Kumilla Dharmashagar Park. So at present time, the Kumilla Dharmashagar Park actually has been a amusement place or recreation place in Kumilla city. If you look for the peaceful place in Kumilla city, you should come to the Kumilla Dharmashagar Park because it has been a tourist place at present time. That's why I suggest you in your leisure time or in your special time, you should come to this Kumilla Dharmashagar Park.